Hi guys, I wanna share something. It's back to school and I wanna share to you what is inside my bag, guys. I bought this in Typo. It's a clothing store here in our place. So let's open my backpack. You can see an umbrella. Umbrella is nice when it's raining or sunny. And still water bottle. It's nice if you want to bring warm or cold water. And a water bottle again. And a coffee tumbler. And also a water bottle again. Tissue. And also a sanitizer. And a toothbrush. After eating, it's nice to toothbrush. First aid kit. And an ID lace. And a key. So this is how it looks like my bag. It's leather here. And it's a I have this from my school, and a mirror. There you go. And some ball pen and mechanical pens here. And that's it, guys. You can see here a folder, a plastic folder, and also a Typo wallet. And a hat. So anything but ordinary. It's nice here. It's thick so that your laptop is protected. So this is it, guys. I hope it helps. And I'm so excited to go to school tomorrow, guys. And this is my first day of school. I have free donut and free coffee from my school. And please like and share and subscribe.